say hello to our guest conductor, Academy Award-winning actor, Huy Quan. Welcome to D23. I am so glad that you're here. I know these folks are glad you're here as well. You had an amazing career, including an Oscar just a couple of years ago. Huge congratulations. And as we were talking backstage, it all started with your first film, Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom.
It was the greatest adventure of my life.
I can imagine it by the sounds of the crowd. We have some fans here.
Indiana Jones was my first movie, and it changed everything for me.
Yeah, I can imagine. Well, what was it like debuting alongside one of the most legendary characters in movie history?
It was like stepping into a world where everything was larger than life. It felt surreal.
Yeah.
And of course, what can be more cool than starring in a movie with the iconic and now Disney legend Harrison Ford?
Well, here we are, years later. What do you think made Indiana Jones such an enduring character, such an enduring franchise?
Well, first off, hats off to Harrison. No one could have brought Indy to life like the way he did. I love Indiana Jones' sense of adventure. And I love it when he faces insurmountable odds. He still stayed true to his beliefs. Those qualities resonate with everyone. They're definitely things that I can relate to. So I think, that's why we love Indiana Jones.
And I know our Disney Park fans certainly love the man with the hat too, which, everyone, is why we're so excited to bring an Indiana Jones attraction to Disney's Animal Kingdom.
It's amazing. Josh, but I gotta ask you, will there be any snakes?
Well, listen, we're going to have to wait to find out, because this is going to be a completely new story. But, you never know, Keith. I got to say, thank you for being here. One more time for Academy Award winner, Huy Quan. So construction on this 11-acre section of the park is set to begin this fall as we transform Dinoland, USA into tropical Americas. This work's going to begin in phases, making sure that you still have a chance to experience Dinosaur one more time. Indiana Jones will be one of two signature attractions in the new land. To tell us more about what we're planning, please welcome the President and Chief Creative Officer of Walt Disney Imagineering, Mr. Bruce Long.
This is amazing.
Pretty cool.
Yes.
All of our fans, Bruce, welcome to D23.
This is a magical day.
So, all right, here's what we're going to do. Let's talk about Indiana Jones first. So tell us about the attraction.
Absolutely. The first attraction I worked on in 1993 as Imagineer was Indiana Jones here in Disneyland. So this is very special to me. But we are so looking forward to this one because you said, Josh, this is going to be a completely new story. different from any other Indian attraction anywhere we have in the world. It takes place in an ancient Maya temple that Indy has recently discovered. And he's heard rumors about a mythical creature that lives deep within this temple. Now, Indy being Indy, he wants to go see it himself. But the best part is, he's bringing us along with him.
Of course, nothing's gonna go wrong here.
Yeah, it depends how you define wrong, Josh.